morning, everyone. I want to pose a couple of scenarios to you. Think about your closest family members. What comes to mind? Positive things, negative things, a strained relationship, a really close relationship. Take a moment, think about that, and now let's turn that into the laws of intestacy. What does intestacy mean? Intestacy means that you died without any sort of estate plan, so now your jurisdiction or your state is going to have to follow those rules about where to send your things. So for the state of Maryland, the rules of intestacy usually go, depending on the way the family dynamic is set up, to the spouse or to the children if there are children, if there's no spouse or children, to the grandparents, and then so on, trying to find those next of kin. So that's why I wanted you to start thinking about, for whatever reason, a scenario where your closest family members, whether it's a positive or a negative relationship, what type of capacity would you want those family members to be in? Would you want your next closest of kin to be the guardian of your child because you failed to do a guardian nomination? Or would you want your best friend, your best girlfriend, or the godparents, for whatever reason, to be the guardian of your child? Do you have parents or relatives that are not good with money? Do you have people in your life that you would for sure want certain things to go to, and then certain people that you for sure would not want things to go to? Think of it this way. I love you to death. I love my parents to death, but their values don't match mine, so I wouldn't necessarily want them raising my children in a guardian capacity, but I would love for them to be the guardian of the property of my children. You know what I'm saying? There's many different moving parts when it comes to estate planning, but these are things that sometimes we don't think about. So I want you to take a second and take a moment to think, just because they're your closest relatives, would you want them to be in every single capacity where it comes to your property, your finances, and the upraising of your children? Do these people match your morals? Do these people match your values? Just because they're your family doesn't mean they need to be on every single list when it comes to your estate. Some people are very fit to raise children, and some people are very fit to handle finances. But these are all things that you need to think about, and you know these people in your life better than your estate planning attorney does. If you don't know, we can talk about it and run through some different scenarios. That's everything today. This was a really quick video just to get those gears grinding, or to get those those thought bubbles running. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Otherwise, if you're in the state of Maryland and you're ready to get started, please contact my office at www.leahbostonlaw.com, and I'm happy to help get you started. See you next time.